In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to give access to OneDrive to another user, ensuring a seamless sharing experience for collaboration. Let's dive in and make sure you can share your files efficiently and securely. First, head over to your OneDrive by opening a web browser and navigating to the OneDrive website. Sign in with your Microsoft account credentials to gain access to your stored files. Once you're logged in, you'll see your files and folders neatly displayed. Next, identify the specific file or folder you wish to share. Hover over the item, and you'll notice a small circle appears to the left of the file name. Click that circle to select the file or folder. You'll see a toolbar appear above your files. In that toolbar, look for the option that says Share and click on it. This action opens the sharing panel on the right-hand side of the screen. Here, you'll set the parameters for how you want to share your item. Now, it's time to decide how you want to give access to the user. You have a couple of options here. You can enter the email address of the person you'd like to share with. Ensure that it's entered correctly to avoid any sharing mishaps. As an alternative, you might want to create a shareable link instead. Simply click Copy Link. This will generate a URL that you can send to anyone you want to share the file or folder with. This is especially handy if you're collaborating with multiple people. Before you finalize the sharing, you must establish the permission settings. Click on Anyone with the link can edit to explore the options. Generally, you can allow editing or limit it to viewing only, depending on how much control you want the other user to have. You'll want to carefully consider this based on the nature of the content and your relationship with the person you're sharing with. After setting the desired permissions, click Apply to confirm your choices. When using the email option, add a personal message in the message box if you'd like. This can provide context or instructions for the person receiving the file. Once you've reviewed everything, click Send if you're directly emailing, or if you're using the link, click Copy and share that link with the user through your preferred communication method, such as email or chat. OneDrive's simple interface makes it easy to adjust sharing settings even after your initial setup. Should you find it necessary to revise permissions or remove access down the line, you can always head back to the sharing settings and make your changes. And there you have it. With these steps, you'll be able to share your OneDrive files with ease, allowing for smooth collaboration. Thank you for watching, and happy sharing.